Hello, family. Merry Christmas. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. How was your Christmas? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing fine. My name is Dora. I do videos on natural hair, and sometimes I also do videos on DIYs. So, family, today I'm really going to, today I just want to talk about the power of being your own manager, the power of being able to do things by yourself, that you don't have to depend on anyone. And I'm going to do this in reference to hair, okay? And I just want to let you know that when you set your mind to doing something by yourself, you can do it. And let's specifically talk about these times, okay? These hard times, the times of quarantine, the times of lockdown. Things have changed. The world order has changed. So much has changed, and most of you, or most of us, have had to think about alternatives of how to take care of our hair. And definitely when it comes to your hair, you know that your hair will still need the care that it deserves. And it doesn't even matter whether there's lockdown, but your hair still, you have to keep going. And my message to you in today's message is simply about the power of being able to do things by yourself. Things are changing so much. We are getting reports of, new strains of the virus. The virus is mutating, and that also means that life is going to be much, much harder, and especially when it comes to hair care. So, why not talk about this, my sisters? I mean, not just my sisters, even my brothers out there. I've been natural for quite some time, and I've been managing my hair by myself, and I just want to show you that you can do it, okay? So I'm just going to span, show you my hair. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So what you see on my head is all my hair, and it's all natural. And I can tell you, for the last maybe 7 years, I haven't been to a salon. And I'm not here to kill business for any hairdresser for salons, but I am just here to share with you my experience, that if you are interested in taking care of your hair, taking the management of your own hair, then you should definitely be able to listen to what I have to say. But before you do that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and welcome to my channel. Here I just give you a big virtual hug, and my subscribers, you know how we do it as usual, a very big virtual hug from Dora. And thank you for supporting me. Thank you for moving with me. Thank you for walking this journey with me. Some of you are really committed. Every time I post a video, you are there to comment, and I like those comments. Please comment down below. Let's keep this family engaging. Okay, so why do you need to be in charge of your own hair? I just talked about it. Times have changed, guys. Times have changed. We know that with the current times, with the virus, it's almost very difficult with the element of social distancing. You do not even know where you get this virus from. So one of the things is avoid going to salon if you can. I'm not saying you should completely stop, but if you can reduce, okay? Reduce or avoid. And how do you do this? You can simply do this by trying to take the management of your hair in your hands. Okay, and then the truth is that many people have lost their sources of income, like income reduction. People have lost jobs, and what does that mean? It simply means that times are hard, times are tough, and so we have to look for other alternatives of, surviving. And I mean, why not reduce on how much how much you spend on hair? And then, of course, another thing is that, when you start doing your hair by yourself, definitely you're going to reduce on the costs. Okay, cost simply means that how about just, spending on the oils, on the products, and doing everything by yourself, either than having someone do it for you and then you pay, I mean, the costs are quite high. In my opinion, I think also the time you spend in salon also reduces significantly, because then you have the freedom. You can do your hair at your own time in your home, and as you're doing your hair, you are simply going around doing other household chores that you may be doing on that day. And I think that, I mean, if you agree with me, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. And then, of course, the other reason is spending more time with your family. The time you spend away from home, definitely that also means that you're spending less time with your family. Another reason is you're going to reduce the damages. Guys, I always talk about this, and especially us who love, okay, those who love, hairdressers so much that you literally give the hairdresser the responsibility of taking care of your hair, of managing your hair. I have no problem with that. If you have a hairdresser who really cares about your hair that much, or even much better than you, but I know that most of them, to be honest, it's business. Business. If you have one who takes care of your hair like their own hair, you're blessed. It's a blessing. But I mean, why would you so reduce the damages? In my next video, I will be talking about edges. And really, most women don't have edges. Women do not have edges here. These edges are not there. And they keep plaiting your hair, and your hairdresser will not even advise you that, look, you need to, take care of your edges. So that is from my experience. From my experience, I think doing it yourself, doing it by yourself is really what really, really, really works. So I think that this has worked for me, and definitely my channel is to share. On this channel I share my experience. So I hope these tips, is going to help you into your transition. And if you like what I've just given you, the tips that I've given you, please subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to this channel, a big virtual hug. Please do not forget to subscribe. And on this channel, I simply make it easy for you. I make life much, much easy for you. I know there are so many of you out there who want to get into this journey of managing their hair by themselves. Natural hair is possible. Natural hair can be done. You can actually manage your hair just the way I have managed. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching. And Merry Christmas again. And I wish you a very happy 2021. And I hope that these tips have been very helpful. So see you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.